Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Programming with DP Wala. Hope you all are doing good. So today we are discussing a problem from the Codeforces round 937, which is a Div 4 contest, and it was occurred yesterday. So as this contest is always relatively on the easier side, so I tried to uh, give the, or we can say, solve problem E, so that the ones who were not able to get the approach for this problem, so they can analyze it where they are going wrong and try to absolve it. So so let's start with this problem. So in this problem, what we are given a string s of length n, and what we need to do, we need to find a shortest string k, which we will be concatenating till the length of the string s, and we need to find the smallest such string k. And when we are comparing the string s and the string k, at that time only one character should be a mismatch and the remaining characters should be same. And in this manner we need to return the uh, k string k of smallest length, so which can be concatenated. So here the constants are, for the n is from 1 to 10 to the power 5. So from here you can easily understand that you can't apply to for loop, brute force will not work. So let's discuss this. Let's say I will take one example. Let's say we are having a string as ABC, ABC, ADC, and ABC, right? And we are having a string this ABC, ABC, ABC. Let's say this is our string, right? So you have taken this ABC substring. Let's say you have taken this 3 length ABC substring, and what we need to do, we need to choose a substring k, and we need to concatenate it till the length of the string. So when we concatenate it, so what we get this string ABC, 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 and when we compare it, we can easily see that here at this position D and B, it has a mismatch, and only one mismatch is there. So our answer for this test case is length 3. Means we can choose a substring of length k, which can result us the string after concatenation which is having only a one mismatch character. So here one catch is there. So what length substring you can choose here? So it is a basic math that you need to calculate a divisor of this string s. Let's say here we are having a string of length 4. So we can choose a substring of that length only, which is a divisor of this length of this string. Because let's say if you want to make the string of length 6, right? You can't choose a substring of length 4, because 4 length substring, then you will concatenate it on other same 4 length substring, it will be 8. It will never give you a string of length 6, right? So you require a divisor. So from this we come to know that we need to calculate a divisors of n, right? After that we will check for the substring. And here the two important conditions are that you need to check for the substring from the start as well and from the end as well, because there might be a possibility that you can get a optimal answer from last as well and the from starting as well. You will be able to understand it when I will explain it through a code. So as this is just type of a greedy problem, we can say at particular point we have we can say just the implementation and somewhat of greedy kind, so we can need to calculate it from starting and ending. So let's see its code so that you can understand it. So here in this problem, the catch is that just we need to calculate the divisors for it, because you can't make a string of length s when your substring length is not a divisor of that. So let's see it. So what I have done here, first, as we have given a test cases, so I have taken a n, which is the length of the string, and I have taken string as an input, and this is my solve function which I have called. So the start, I have mentioned that we need to calculate the divisors. So here I have taken the divisor vector, uh, and I have calculated all the divisors of n. Here you can see. So I have calculated all the divisors of n, and at last I have sorted it because we want the minimum length substring, so we'll be starting with the smallest one, smallest divisor. So this will help us to calculate all the divisors of n. After calculating the divisor, what I am doing, I am traversing to that divisor vector, whatever the divisor we got. So what we will check? We will check a substring of length of that divisor. Let's say we are having a divisor at the first index, we are having a 2 value. Let's say, so we will calculate the string of length 2 from the start. This is from the start, right? And this is from the means from the last, right? Last in the sense last let's say j length substring, so that we can check whether that which will give us the optimal answer. And at last what we will do, we will store this s1 and s2 string, and what we will do, we will be getting this. What we will do, we will concatenate it till the n by j. N by j is nothing but means how much times till the end of the string, length of that string, that is n. So we have concatenated it, and at last what we need to check, we having a s1 length substring, s1 length string, which we have made it using concatenation, and we have s2 length string which we have made it using concatenation, and we have our main string, that is string s. And at last, as they have mentioned, that in both the main string and the string you have built it, there should be only one mismatch character. So here what I am checking, I am checking check different characters. This function will calculate at how much different characters are present. Let's say if difference are greater than 1, means obviously we won't able to choose that one because only one mismatch will be there. So here I have done that different character count I have maintained. If it is greater than 1, we will simply return false, because this will not be a good string for us. It will not satisfying the condition that is given. Else we will return true. After that, what we have stored it in check1 and check2 variable. I have calculated it for s1 substring which we have calculated, s2 that which we have calculated, means from 0 to j length and from n minus j, remaining 3. And I have checked it for whichever is true, means that j divisor is our answer. I mean, that is the minimum length substring that can be built, uh, which is having only a one mismatch character. And at last, what we have done, I have cleared all the divisors value, because because otherwise it will be appending in the same divisors for the other test case as well, and we returned it. And in this manner, we will be calculating it. So here the as you are thinking that why we are checking, we just need to check from the front only. But as there is one test case here, you can see that here for this test case, you means not for only this test case, there are were lot many test case. What happened is that this condition might fails, right? So you need to check for the remaining strings as well. Let's say you are calculating it for the 2 length substring, right, from the start, but the remaining string that is left behind, that might be having a particular substring which can give us the answer. So that's why we are choosing this as well. If any of these two conditions are giving us the answer which is a valid substring, then we will be printing that divisor. So hope you got the approach. So always try to write a code in a function. Always try to write a code inside a function which will return something. And because here you can see that for calculating the divisors, I have my separate function. So this code is quite good readable, right? And if you want to calculate, check that which character is missing, so I have this function. So this will help you to not write, this will be help you to write the reusable code. So this is the best object oriented programming thing you can apply here, and reusability is a very important thing. So code quality always matters so that everyone can understand it in an efficient manner. Hope you got the approach behind this problem, and hope it will be helpful you to understand it. Now you can upsolve it, try to dry run on more such test case and try to solve it. uh, Hope you watch this video till this point. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay connected for more such code forces contest analysis. Thank you. Happy coding.